If you're looking for women's sandals by Spot On, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, by Spot On. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Spot On. Number 3. Get your favorite women's sandals now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Spot On. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.